Hi guys! So I have a challenge for myself. Okay. When I fall, I gonna be dance and I will gonna be post on my channel on my YouTube channel. So I pray I'm gonna be fall. So let's start it right now. Um I think I'm not gonna be fall of this tower because this is my first time playing of tower. So let's oh. So I'm not fall on on this in this year. I'm not fall that one. The challenge is fall here. So that's I will gonna be done. So let's slow. Oh, this is updated, guys. Oh, it. Sorry. If this is my second playing this tower, guys. So let's. God. Oh no, let me shortcut here. Oh no, I got tricked. Oh, everyone's gonna be fall right here. I mean, not everyone. Anyone. Oh, no. Uh, uh. Yes. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sorry. I don't want to dance. Oh no. My record is on 2 minutes right now. I don't know if you see my record. Oops. It's oh no! Oops, slowly. Now, I want to be getting shortcut. I want to shortcut. What the frick is that message? Slowly. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh yeah. Oh guys. I'm gonna fall. No, I'm gonna dance right now. Wait guys. Wait. Okay guys. See you and one. I don't know. This is my channel, new channel on YouTube, guys. Please support it. And when we reach the 50 followers or subscribers or 10 subscribers, we gonna be face reveal. So and we're gonna be use English and Tagalog language. Okay. And don't forget guys, I'm playing Grow a Garden and 99 nights and still a brain rot. Just add me guys. This is my name. This is my home name. Oh shit. This um that is my name guys. this one, this first, this. So bye guys.